His hands are a little too big for the pockets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a little too big for the pockets.
Do you want to sing Dominic a little song? Okay, I got in his space a little bit there. You want to sing a song to him?
No.
Why not?
Because
You little stinker, you. Come here so I can tickle you. Oh, yeah. Why don't you lay down so I can tickle you and Dominic? And tickle my kids. So exciting.
Why?
Cause it's funny to tickle you guys. Hey, don't tickle me. Hey, settle, 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 settle. Dominic, it's crazy around here. Alexis, don't crush him. You're too big. Dominic.
Where are you going? Where's your face going? Where's your face
Okay. Okay, honey, that's good. That's good. No more touching his face, okay? Hey, hey, hey. Crazy. Your sister's crazy, Dominic. Okay, lay down next to him.
I don't want to.
So I can see both of you guys' faces. Alright, love you guys. Love you. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye.
Can I see what our video is?